Thursday, January 19th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East, and we have really a pretty quiet day unfolding for today ahead of what's going to be a fairly active stretch of weather with a series of storm systems to impact the region. And Sunday, especially looking like a pretty chilly day in the cold air damming regions. I'll get into all that here as we go through today's edition of the video. What a winter storm that continues to occur in the north and northwestern parts of the country. Some pretty incredible snow totals in parts of the Pacific Northwest, including some of the bigger cities in the Pacific Northwest too, such as Seattle and Tacoma. And all those white shaded counties, those are some type of winter weather or snow, or warnings rather, for snow and winter weather that's in effect currently this morning. Now look at the cold air. Really brutally cold air in the northern plains and kind of arcing into the northeastern part of the country too. There are numerous sites in North Dakota and Minnesota that are colder than 20 degrees below zero this morning. It's cold stuff, so that makes our 20s for current temperatures, as we had lows this morning in many spots in the 20s. Doesn't seem that bad. There's the radar imagery. Still a lot of precip in the northwestern part of the country, and then some mainly light snow with an area of low pressure here in the Midwest. That'll not make it into our area. I think only some clouds moving our way as we go through today and tonight. There's the upper level chart for this afternoon. Most of the upper level energy well off to our north. Now as we go out in time, one little system swings through later Saturday, bringing us some rain, and then another more potent system moves through on Monday, followed by another one toward the latter stages of next work week. So an active storm track. Let's get into some of the specifics. Today we'll call it partly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s and lower 50s for much of the Piedmont. Tomorrow, the clouds will thicken up through the day, and by later tomorrow afternoon, there will be the chance of some light rain, but the best opportunities of rain will come tomorrow night and then into the day on Saturday. So we'll have some rain around at times Friday night and Saturday. Highs in the 50s Friday, maybe some low 60s on Saturday, and then look what happens on Sunday. We're going to get a cold air damming type of day. A pretty strong area of high pressure here in the northeast, strong enough anyway, and that is a very well-defined cold air damming signature, and it's there on all modeling. So I've gone ahead and kind of gone all in with that scenario today in the forecast. So Sunday looks like a day with clouds, some drizzle at times, and a day that we might struggle to even make it up into the low and mid 40s for highs. Looking like a chilly day, assuming that cold air damming scenario does unfold. Then that next system swings through with some showers and much milder temperatures on Monday. A little bit of a break here. Tuesday looks quiet. Wednesday looks quiet too. Relatively mild. And then we get the next system moving out Thursday. Now that looks quite different between the modeling here. This is how the GFS depicts Thursday. And here is the European depiction with an area of low pressure near Vicksburg, Mississippi, that then lifts up toward Pennsylvania. So it's much more southerly track on the European. Both scenarios are rain scenarios, but the European a little bit of a chillier scenario than would be the GFS scenario. And I still think there's some signs of a pattern change down the road. I'm still not ready to kind of completely bite on that, but I do believe there are some indications of a pattern more favorable, at least, for winter weather lovers across the southeastern part of the country down the road. Maybe. Again, I'm not sold on it just yet. Don't hold me to it yet, but signs of a pattern change as we head toward the beginning portions of February. We will see. And, of course, there's still plenty of winter left. We've had plenty of huge snowstorms around here in the months of February and even March, for that matter. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.